Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add information in Happn. I wonder why you want to know how to add information in Happn. Maybe because when you created your account, you missed some information that you wanted to add, or maybe you did a mistake while entering information, now you want to correct it. Or maybe initially you were not serious about this app, but now you think it should be taken seriously, therefore, you want to add your information. Or there could be any other reason for you to add information in Happen. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can add your information on Happen. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Happn app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Happn app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Right now, we're in the browse section, therefore you could see this interface. Here we have a lot of options almost all over the screen. You just simply have to click onto this profile icon. Once you get there, you will see some of your personal information like your profile picture, your name, and your age. So now if you want to add more like that, then simply click onto this edit option. Once you tap on it, you will get here. There you could see your name, your profile picture, and other options. Here you just have to simply scroll down to the middle of the page, and there you will see this section which says about. About is all about you, and here you can add different options and different information regarding to you. Like here, first you could choose that what are you looking for on Happen. Like if you're looking for relationship, or maybe you're just looking for something not serious, so you can choose it. It will just take a while to save, and after that you can click onto the next option. Here you have to explain your height, like how tall are you. You can add your real height or maybe something relevant or near to it. Then click on continue, and it will just take a while to save the information that you just entered. Likewise, there you will see we have multiple options available, so you can choose and add as much as information as you're looking for. You can also choose your fitness habits, or you could say exercise habit. Likewise, we have cooking and other stuff. So you can choose whatever you think is necessary to be added on this app regarding to you. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add information on Happen. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.